Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the Vizio 2.1 Soundbar SV210M-0808. Now, this soundbar has been making waves in the audio world for its promise of delivering a cinematic experience on a budget. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. Let's start with the design. The Vizio SV210M-0808 sports a sleek and modern look with rounded edges, giving it a contemporary feel. At just 30 inches wide, 2.3 inches high, and 3.2 inches deep, it's compact enough to fit seamlessly into any setup. The wireless subwoofer, about the size of a top hat, adds to its convenience without compromising on sound. When it comes to features, the SV210M-0808 doesn't disappoint. It boasts Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, HDMI input, and even a USB-A port for playing music directly from a thumb drive. However, it's important to note the absence of analog or optical connections, which might be a downside for some users. Now, let's talk about what really matters: the sound quality. The SV210M-0808 delivers a surprisingly robust soundstage, especially considering its 2.1 channel setup. Whether you're watching movies or listening to music, it offers detailed sound with a punchy bass that's perfect for filling a room. However, it's worth mentioning that despite claiming Dolby Atmos support, it doesn't quite replicate the height effects you might expect from more premium models. In terms of usability, Vizio has opted for a mobile app for settings adjustments, which might be a minor inconvenience for those used to a dedicated remote control. Nonetheless, the app is user-friendly and allows for fine-tuning of audio settings like dialogue clarity and subwoofer levels. So, how does the Vizio SV210M-0808 stack up against its competitors? Well, in a crowded market of budget soundbars, it holds its own with impressive sound quality and modern design. While it may lack some advanced features like analog connections or immersive height effects, it excels in delivering value for money. Overall, if you're in the market for a budget-friendly soundbar that doesn't compromise on audio performance, the Vizio 2.1 Soundbar SV210M-0808 is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for enhancing your TV and music experience without breaking the bank. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, happy listening.